So interesting things that you can do with this is something like this, where this becomes very useful. So say you'll see here that if I wiggle this ear, there's way too much of the head like following this ear. And I don't really want that. So one way you can go about this is to go to the vertex group and then select the vertex group. And then I can go and I just want to get rid of some of this selection. Okay. So now that I get this selection here, I got all the weights to those verts over there. And here I can see that quite a bit of this is assigned to my ear, and I don't want it to be assigned to my ear. So with this increment on, I can slowly bleed this out. And what it will do every time I minimize this value, if there's more assigned to this one than this one, it will subtract this amount from that one and this one. It means it kind of like gradually bleeds out this influence here. So if I start bleeding it out, so with this ear selected, and I can just see there's even ear 2 has got some, so I can select ear 2 as well. And is there anything else in the ear? So any of the ear bones on the left, so it's ear 1, 2, and 3. I don't want them to influence this area as much. So, and I just leave a little bit of that there. So I'm going to slowly bleed this out. So I'm just going to minus this, and it should normalize these as it goes along. So if I minus, see how it starts bleeding out the influence of that. So now, see, it's already getting a little bit better there, so I can minus it a bit more. Minus it a little bit more. Okay, these at the top is also still a little bit too much, so I can actually go and just do this area over here. So you would do this a little bit more carefully in real life. Anyway, just let's bleed that area out again. So we can the ear, and it's just that, and we can just bleed the influence of that out there. So now, yeah, it's starting to look a little bit better. Now we got some issues there. So once again, I can just go to my ear left, select all these. I am gonna get rid of some of this selection. I'm just gonna hit average here. That should start sorting out some of these issues. So it's gonna average those out. So my big wrinkle is actually here. Then I'm just going to normalize it again a few times until I got rid of that wrinkle there. And very quickly, I got the head not to move, or the head skin not to move as much with the ear, and getting a much more natural transition there. And here you can see I need to just average these out a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, we've got like a bit of a wrinkle. You can just normalize those out. So yeah, so that's one of the big advantages. Plus you got this really fine control, and I'm posting more videos in real life situations how you do this with this, but that's a quick overview of the Vertex tool over here.